Q services at YouTube and eBay. What I've simply got here, Kranzle 1152Tst, 130 bar at 10 litres a minute. This machine, you've got the setup here, complete quick release all the way around. So you've got quick release that goes into the middle section of the trigger, quick release from the hose to the trigger. You've got the VARIO nozzle, the turbo nozzle. With this system, the VARIO nozzle 4-in-1, high and low pressure, turns from 0 degrees to 60 degrees by turning that system. So it then gives you the option on here of soap at low pressure on this machine. This is the position of the machine when it's in storage. When we come to use the machine, what we simply do is we lay it down. So unlike other machines in the marketplace, which I say regular, what simply happens is you've got your motor in line with your pump. The oil is on the top. It means that the pump is fully submerged in oil. So the swash plate that's running around inside there, it's not reliant on being splashed, it's submerged. Unlike other machines in the marketplace. You've got your pressure regulator valve on this side here, turn the pressure up and down. So you can control how much pressure you're running at. Hose reel, what you simply do is pull that off and off you go. Pressure gauge, obviously you don't have to leave that on, that can be taken off. Stainless steel. Automatic stop start this machine, so when you let go of the trigger the machine stops, pull the trigger it starts. Any problems on the gun, don't leave it so the machine's going jip, 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 jip. Got facility for soap at low pressure, so when you lower the pressure down on the VARIO nozzle, automatically the soap comes through. We've also put the foam bottle with this, so you can have foam also, as well as TFR in 1 minute, and you can be foaming the next. Switch on the top, start and stop switch. Like I say, this machine's automatic stop start, so it's operated via the trigger. Pull the trigger, the machine starts, let go. Hose lock fitting going in standard. You also get a screw fitting. Screw fitting's far superior with the hose tail on with the Jubilee clip. Always test your machine, so if you're not certain on the pressure, just grab hold of your watering hose while the machine's running and see if it's taking enough water in. Always check that. First thing you should always check when you're buying a new machine, making sure that the water main is keeping up with the pressure washer. So what we'll do is we'll stand it back up into its storage point, and that is the Kranzle 130 bar 10 litres 1152Tst. Fantastic machine. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.